Dear students, we shall start with electric fields. Electric field with a point charge. Remember, it's about a point charge of a point charge. Point charge. Remember it. Very important. We have seen that it's radially outward for a positive charge. We have seen it is radially outward for a positive charge. Positive charge. And then vicinity of charge, the neighborhood of charge, nearby charge, field lines are very denser. As it goes away, it thinned out. So electric field line is a pictorial way of representing electric field suggested Faraday. So electric field lines can be a measure of electric field at a point. Electric field at a point. But we cannot take it definite because different people can draw different field lines. So thickness varies. So thickness varies. So when density of field lines, the density of field lines, electric field lines measure electric field strength at a point. That is near to the point charge. Near to point charge. Field lines are stronger. Lines are stronger. As we move away from the point charge, field lines are weaker. That all of us know it. Now, what is actually electric field? Definition of electric field. What for electric field? Electric field lines are a way of pictorially representing electric field around a point charge. It's three-dimensional, spherical, all of us know it. Now, what definition of electric field line? Definition of electric field lines. What is definitions? Electric field line is a curve drawn such a way that the tangent, remember the tangent gives direction, all of us know it. Tangent to each point give direction of net electric field at that point. It's a definition of electric field. So remember, tangent always tangent is a direction finding way of geometrical direction finding, calculus direction finding way. Curve drawn as electric field line is a curve drawn in such a way that the tangent to it at each point gives direction of electric field at that point. So this is the definition of electric field. From this definition, you'll come to certain properties of electric field. We know electric field lines. Actually, earlier we were taught it's a part taken by unit positive charge in a field. Electric field lines start from start from positive charge and ends in negative charge. For a single charge, for a single charge, field line, the other charge can be assumed at infinity. Next property is very clear. Next property is second property. In a charge-free region, electric field lines can be taken to be continuous. Can be taken to be continuous. Can be taken to be continuous. That is, curves are without break. Curves are without break. This we can understand physically. Charge is conservative. That is, charge remains we cannot neither create charge nor destroy charge. Charge remain as it is. So therefore, E is equal to like 1 by R square. So charge cannot suddenly disappear to get a break there. So as R tends to 0, E tends to infinity. That is, when R tends to infinity, E tends to 0. It never vanishes mathematically. It's a continuous function. We call mathematics as a continuous function. So I just draw the graph of it. Try to draw the graph of it. For me, it's very, very difficult to draw the graphs using these methods. Let me try to innovate after some classes. So this is electric field, right? Electric field distance. When it is 0, 1, 1. Now it's a curve. Curve should be 1, 1. When E is equal to R is equal to 1, E is equal to 1. From this point, you can draw the curve. Here, it will be like this, something like this. This is point 1, 1, 1, 1. It has no break anywhere. It never touch y-axis. It never touch x-axis. Without touch, it's mathematics equal asymptotically goes. It's asymptotic. So this curve is like this. So it cannot have sudden break because easily 1 by R square mathematically, physically speaking, charge is conservative. Charge cannot be destroyed. So if charge destroys only, what will happen? Charge will be curves will be vanish in that point. Break will be there. Oh, therefore, next point is two field lines can never cross each other. Third point. Two field lines can never cross each other. Why? We know charge is E is a vector quantity. Vector quantity has got a direction. It has a direction. It has a direction. It has a direction, only one direction. Suppose, and direction of electric field is given by is given by tangent at that point, Suppose two field lines cross each other. What will happen? This one field line, this other field line. E1, E2. They cross. Then let's dot two tangents then. Two tangents. One tangent is this way, one tangent. The other tangent will be is the other tangent. So tangent. At the point of intersection P, at point of intersection P, at point of intersection P, section P, we can draw we can draw two tangents, giving two directions, to electric field at that point. At that point. Which is absurd. It is absurd because vector only has got one direction. Last point is electrostatic field do not form closed loop. Fourth point. Electric field lines do not form closed loop. We know charge is conservative. That's charge, we can't destroy charge. Suppose there's a positive charge. It starts from positive, ends in negative. Suppose it just form closed loop, it just come back here. It should become negative suddenly. It's not possible because conservative nature of charge remains as it is. Charge never changes. Charge cannot be destroyed. Positive charge cannot be made negative. Positive point charge, single point charge cannot be made negative charge. We can convert, cannot do anything. We have to add some charges. We add it, we make it negative, no? It may become like this. It's not possible. So by conservative nature of charge, by conservative nature of charge, electric field cannot form closed loop. Electric field cannot close loops. Okay, but if you remember it, electromagnetic field, electric and magnetic field is there. You learn later. Electric and electromagnetic field. But electric field is a closed loop, magnetic field is closed loop. They propagate, and we get electromagnetic waves. Electric field produced by magnetic field forms closed loop. Remember it. Electric field produced by magnetic field forms closed loops. We'll learn it later. Thank you. We'll stop this video today. Next class we'll do some other topics, continuous topic.